This interrogative clause is stated in the third type of clause constituted with the subject which the transitive verb fits the object you and the adverb well to specify the definition of the transitive verb fits. One of the responses is stated in the conference. These clothes fit me. The speaker applies the phrase of the noun, these clothes, that corresponds to the interrogative pronoun which in the interrogative clause. In the interrogative clause, the speaker says the premise whose number of the subject indicated by the interrogative pronoun as singular, but the speaker of this clause reveals the number of the subject as plural. The phrase of the noun, these clothes, indicates the subject whose units indicated by the noun clothes are determined by the indicative determiner these. The indicative determiner these reveals the information that the subject indicated by the noun clothes plural do not participate in the conversation with the speaker and close to the speaker. The speaker reveals the information about the number of the subject which the noun clause compounded from the noun clause that indicates a unit, and the suffix "-s" that indicates the collected unit indicates the subject to form a unity. The general noun clause, a piece of fabric, the noun clause that originates from with the definition of the indicative determiner these, the unities that are close to the speaker are selected from the unities indicated by the noun clause. The noun clause indicates a collection of the subject as a new unit. So the noun clause reveals the origin a pair of scissors that has the symmetric each part collected to form a new unit. Because of the fact that the speaker indicates the subject, that the interrogative pronoun which indicates with the phrase of the noun these clothes, the first premise that the candidate of the other unities of the subject indicated by the phrase of the noun these clothes exist more than two is verified. The third clause is this: which does he like? The interrogative pronoun which indicates the object of the transitive verb like, with the two premises to apply the interrogative pronoun which in the interrogative clause. The range of the object is determined before the speaker states this clause. The range of the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun which is specified with the conveyance of the transitive verb like from the speaker to the object. The object that receives the definition of the transitive verb like from the subject is specified as the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun which. The speaker indicates the object to receive the definition of the transitive verb like from the subject he with the interrogative pronoun which, whose indication for the number or range is determined from the first premise. In a case that the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun which is able to be stated with the general noun, we can say that the number of the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun which is determined. For example, the speaker sets the candidate of the object indicated by the interrogative pronoun which by 2. The positive flow and the negative flow before the speaker states the interrogative clause. Through the description of the transitive verb like about the subject he, the speaker intends that one of the 2 candidates is specified. This is the second premise for applying the interrogative pronoun which. One of the responses is stated in the conference. He likes the positive flow. The result of the specification between the 2 objects suggested by the speaker of the interrogative clause is stated by this clause. One of the candidates, the positive flow, the negative flow, is stated as the object of the transitive verb likes. The phrase of the noun, the positive flow, corresponds with the interrogative pronoun which in the interrogative clause.